If you're tired of typing in your printer code, this is how you do not have to do that. But remember, if you do this, anytime anybody comes to your computer and clicks print and it goes to the copy room, it will go under your number. So I'm going to go to the Start button. I'm going to go to Devices and Printers. Then I will find Copy Room. I'm going to right click and go to Printer Properties. Then up here at the device settings, we'll click. And then I'm going to look beside the Use Department ID Management and click on Settings. Then here's where you put your code. So I put my code in, I click Verify. It says that it's correct. I'm going to click OK. Make sure the box is unchecked here because I don't want it to confirm every time. Click OK. Then I have to press Apply. If I do not do this, it will not work. So I'm going to click OK, and you are done.